Was actually done na kahapon, ay kagabi, sa sala. Sinipag ako because it's my first day of off. So hanggang, I think, until 9 p.m. naglilinis ako. So ngayon, I decided na yung room naman ang linisin ko. I'm gonna change. I did cleaned everything. Yung shelf, I changed the curtains, and all, lahat. Even this. Tapos, since I have removed all the curtains and also bed sheets, magpapalaundry na lang siguro ako. Parang last akong nagpa-laundry, nung kalilipat ko dito because, maraming big sheets na hindi ko kayang labhan. And plus, I only have a limited space para to dry clothes. So, I really needed yun. So, ngayon, I have removed bed sheets, sofa covers, I cover curtains. So, yung mga yun, papalaundry ko na lang. Tanungin ko din kung naglalabas yan ng carpet because yung isang carpet ko, isang taon na yatang nakarolyo dun sa gilid. So, I'll ask. So, baka expensive. I don't have like a wide area din kasi to wash it, unlike sa previous place ko. Sa previous place ko naman, the my area is small, but I have a wide laundry area, so I can wash it. Pero dito, I don't have that much area where I can wash that carpet. So, hindi naman ganun kalakihan. Malit lang naman. Siguro mga isang dipa at kalahati yung haba. Tapos, mga half or isang yard yung lapad. Ganun lang naman. Waiting for my laundry to get picked up. Oh, how I miss my yellow curtain. See? So pretty. Pag naglilinis ka talaga, more on like 40% linis. Tapos 60% hayahay. Tapos ayan, naghalungkat ako. Nakita ko to. Nakita ko yung aking Minion Instax with its leather bag. My Instax printer. Oh my god. Yung accessories ng XA3 ko na nasira. This one. And my Canon printer. I so love it. Super. Since I love scrapbooking, this has been very helpful. Tapos, that's it. Yung aking what's this? Mount ng TV. Pero hindi naman nagamit. Wall mount. Aking travel adapter. Nalagyan ng laptop. And, this has been helpful nung Hanoi namin. Yung the remote na tripod. Para kahit walang magpipicture sa'yo, kung mag-isa ka, you just have to click it. This is nice. So helpful. That's it. Marami pa akong need i-fix, that one. I don't have a bed frame. Pumili ako nito, yung parang banig. Tapos yung parang naging sapin ko dito sa bed. My bed. Nagpa-laundry ako, nakalimutan kong ipadala to. Ano ba yan? And then, yung aking supposedly Polaroid, hindi ko na masasabing vision board ba? Pero plano kasi dyan lagyan ko ng mga Instax photo or kahit hindi Instax or Polaroid photo. Kahit yung mga ano lang, parang Polaroid size or credit card size pictures. Kaso hanggang ngayon, magdadalawang taon na ako dito walang laman. Pero sa previous place ko, meron ako dati. Pinuno ko siya ng, nilagyan ko siya ng fairy lights. Tapos yun, mga nakaklip na mga pictures. Travel pics. You know. Well, anyway, I'll just continue with the cleaning. Medyo ang gulo. Siya. Nakita ko rin pala yung old, Instax printer ko. Ito yung nasira na. Ito yung free ng camera ko when I bought it. Back 2016 and it's no longer working. I tried, parang di ba ang mahal ng Instax film? So, parang nasa 300 pag yung credit card size. This is SP2 ata kasi ito SP3. SP2. Tapos, wala. As in, totally black yung lumalabas ng piniprint ko. Yun. How sad. Really souvenir. There's mga casing. This one I got it free lang sa Watson. I don't know. Wala. I mean, 10 years ago na yata din. Or mahigit. Ano to? Ano mo nakikita ko dito? Oh, what's this? Ay, hala. Every 3 hours. Here it is. Bilis. Mainit dyan pa. Okay. Hinintay ko rin pala talaga to because I'll put it here with the vacuum seal bags. Oh my god. And then, mga gamit na hindi ko, damit na hindi ko na ginagamit yung mga sinunod ko ng mga past troubles. Tapos ito. Tapos, super tagal na nito. Okay, let's start. To save some space. So, yeah, I'm putting them there. Little by little. This is the ref cover. Should I include the blanket or should I just leave somewhere here? Kasi mahilig akong magpalit ng blanket every now and then. So, I guess this sofa cover na lang. And this one, because I have an upcoming order for the sofa. It's not a sofa, it's not a cover, but a blanket. It's a blanket for the sofa that you can use as cover. I kinda like it. So, let's see if yung in-order ko mag-fit. I just estimated the size So, I guess yung mga hindi ko masyadong ginagamit, I'm gonna put it here para dito. And then, the rest yung madalas kong ginagamit dito na lang. Binaliktad ko lang. Andun talaga yung bukasan sa kabila. So hard maglinis. But, after this, it's all worth it. Okay siya. Sige. Yun na siya. Hindi ko na lang masyadong finlaten. Kasi nga malaki tong bag. Matagal na to. I guess 2019. When we're about to go to supposed China. Para pang-pack ng mga winter clothes. Kaso, hindi natuloy. For some reason. So, pinaglagyan ko na lang ng mga linens. Yung mga covers and all, yung mga masyadong nag-aaklo ng mga spaces na gamit. Para kumasya sila dun sa box. Look at that! Oh, diba? It fits perfectly. I still have a spare one, kaso nasira na. I'm gonna throw it. Super tagal na at nakailang vacuum na ako sa bag na to. Ayun. Okay, time to set it up. Na makapag-laundry naman. Kanina pa umiikot yung damit dun sa washing at kaya pa nakababad yung iba. Okay. I saw that earlier na naglilinis ako. So I put it in there. On top of the mirror.